That man Austin is so silly.
You already know.
Most did.
So we almost got the car back together. I don't remember where I left off in the last video, but we didn't finish, so it's another day. I don't know if this is a new video or a continuation of the last one. Probably a continuation.
Most likely.
I got the homies with me. So all that's left to do at this point is reconnect this stuff. And I don't even know where this connector goes.
Okay, so I was just about to ask you, did you figure
Heck no.
I
don't know where that one goes. But I know where these go, so it's fine. But that one, I don't know. This thing might not be starting up today. And then we still got to put in the shifter, which is over there, and transmission fluids. So
But it's 1 out of 4 ain't bad. Maybe it's something that doesn't affect drivability.
Yeah, that's what we.
I literally couldn't find when I had the manifold off, because I didn't film this because it was so frustrating, but I had to take the entire manifold off. It like this motor was darn near, like a few more wires and hoses and this motor could have been pulled out. That's how much I had to tear it down to fix this whole broken bolt issue. But yeah, I couldn't find where the other connector went, so
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
let's just, I don't know, cross our fingers.
You a lot closer now than when we started.
Yeah, we're closer than I was. Yeah. But the the clutch is in, clutch fork, new throwout bearing. Probably something else I put in there. I don't even remember at this point.
And if you don't get it this weekend, me and my kids, we just gonna hop in the GTI and ride off into the sunset.
Bump both of y'all. To get in my car running. It's a beautiful.
Alright, you jumping in? You jumping in? No.
That is a very smooth running lock surrender.
Oh, you messed up that toast, Chandler. I thought we were gonna toast.
Now.
I thought we were gonna toast to them.
That stuff is pretty smooth. I've never had that before.
Is it Jim Beam?
No, it's Southern Comfort.
Southern Comfort.
Oh, that is really smooth. I've never had it before.
That's why I picked it, bro.
All right, to getting the car back on.
I am very proud of you. That's not something anybody could do. I mean, just anybody could do, bro.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
That's like the
I feel better. Oh, the baby. The baby. You okay? You okay?
God
Poor
damn.
baby.
Oh,
After that burning goes away, then your balls are gonna burn.
oh, you right.
I wasn't even sweating like this before.
What you mean you gotta put all this?
Take it, move this. Put all this has to go back in first, and then we'll put the shifter in. Cause this is. Oh wait, hold on.
Don't make no goddamn sense, Chandler.
Yo, you're right. I watched the video. I saw the YouTube. Shoot, I forgot.
I mean, because I'm just thinking of how you gonna get this bracket through this.
In case it is unclear right now, guys, that victory shot that he took, it was
Those
more,
4 victory shots that I took.
Yeah, it was more.
It was like 2 and 2.
Yeah, so he's feeling it now.
He's looking at. So you gotta
He's
put
feeling
this
it.
down. On this.
Oh, I forgot about this part.
Yes.
That's got to go up under there.
Yeah, that's what you gotta go up in this.
So let's put the dash back, because I'm gonna have to trim a little piece out of there because it's gonna hit this part. But the what's it called? The shifter boot part is gonna cover that trim piece.
Yeah.
So and then I can, you know. All right, you know what? Leave me alone.
What you, my nigga?
I didn't know it was 35%. Yeah, I'm buzz. I'm like buzz.
Alright, so you have to put this piece also.
Yeah, that goes. Hold on, where does that little washer go? Oh, I don't know. I'll look at the instructions. This is put this dash back in.
I'm telling you, I don't see how the hell you gonna put this dash back on.
That's how you do it.
I don't make no goddamn sense. How you gonna
Let
get
me
to
see
the,
this. Let me
How you gonna get to the bolt, Chandler?
You can, that's how I took them out like that.
So you got to
Oh,
go.
that's
You got to go under it.
Let me. Watch the blue game.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is also why I don't drink.
Yeah, I'm not drinking no more either after this.
Oh no.
All right, fine. We'll do it like this. Cause I can. You gotta help me out here.
Yeah, so like this.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I need you to do this in like super slow-mo when you edit it, please.
Oh. Why is it so hot all of a sudden?
Cause you got 35 proof flowing through your veins. That's why.
Then I drunk the man. He better not never bring that over here no more.
Yeah,
You had 2 beers and that?
I only had one beer.
one beer and
And then the equivalent of 4 shots of the
That dude sweating like a dog.
you is sweating.
Look at him.
dadgummit, it's Southern
Comfort.
Southern Comfort. I need something to clip this off. Man, I hate you right now. I really do. You are eating this up.
Oh yeah, like I said, it always pays to be the sober person in the room, so you can have receipts of what happened. You know.
Does it go on the left or the right?
I think it goes on the left, closer to the.
Okay, well we'll go with that then. I don't care. No wait, it has to go on the left because. No, let's go. I'm gonna put it on.
Is there a pin that goes? Is there a pin that goes in here?
I'm trying so.
He's so
I'm trying so
you
hard
are
to
so
focus.
messed up right
Is there a
now.
pin that goes in there?
Yeah, I got the pin. It's somewhere in all that junk. I gotta find it.
All right, so we gotta get this.
I hate you. I really, really hate you right now. Ooh wee.
You'll love me later. It's okay.
I was.
This is much needed footage. You know.
When I watched this video back,
Yes.
I'm gonna hate myself. I didn't know it was 35%. I was thinking it was like 15, 20, 25 maybe.
That was some dark liquor right there.
That was the real stuff. And it went down so smooth. I ain't think nothing
You
about
look,
it.
man, this is smooth. Let me get another one. I was like, okay.
My throat.
I don't know no better. I don't be drinking like that.
My throat rejected it. It said,
Yeah, you.
My throat said, what the heck? What the hell is this, boy? This ain't Henny. That's what my throat said. This ain't Henny. What you doing?
You gonna be alright there, boy?
Yeah, you gonna be out there.
I think it's starting to wear off a little bit.
Dude, it just kicked in like 10 minutes ago. It ain't going nowhere no time soon.
Alright, so there we go.
Wait, I didn't put the washer on.
You put the washer on top, right?
I must have to do that from under the car. I'll just do it from under the car. I don't care. I just want to drive this thing.
Alright, so where the bolts at? The factory bolts. These right here?
No, that ain't it. I forgot what I did with them. No, they're in the box. Where'd the box go? Yeah.
Oh man, we should make this a video. Putting your car together
Drunk working on cars.
Assembling your car drunk. Is it this box?
No, those go. I don't know where those go. They're in there. I put them in there.
Okay.
Yeah, there they go. Yeah, just do that. I'm gonna take a quick nap. Leave me alone. Turn it off. Just please turn it off. Oh my god. Man, I can't. Man, I don't know what them white boys be on. Well, I probably shouldn't say that on YouTube.
Hey man, no, you can say that.
You can, but
Man,
but here's the thing. This how you know he was a veteran. He had the same thing you had, plus like 3
and
beers.
drove off
and
like
then
it
just
was
drove
nothing.
off. He drove off.
We're not endorsing drinking and driving.
Don't drink and drive, people. But he had this. Why's my arm feel? My arm feels funny.
Lord have mercy, shit, Jesus.
He's losing feeling of his molecular functions. He just.
I can't feel my left arm. What is going on?
Good thing you used the right arm to shift. I don't know how you go hold the steering wheel, but
If I take deep breaths, it'll go away faster.
if I
right?
deep.
Like I'll be looking at her phone and she's gonna look over at me and just be like,
why. She'll be like, this is why I don't leave you alone with your friends.
You gotta put it in the. Well, you just do it.
Hey, when last time you ate?
I haven't eaten today.
Oh, that's why you're messed up.
I haven't eaten anything today.
So you had that on an empty stomach. Have you drunk? Have you drunk water by any chance?
I had a Red Bull.
Nigga, that's not water. He said water.
That's like 3% water, right?
I gotta trim this part.
Yeah,
or it's not gonna fit.
We can still trim that part.
Yeah, give me the. Let me get out of here.
Let me get out of here.
I'm gonna grab my hands.
You gotta hold on to the car.
Can you just let me do this?
Can you just let me be?
Gang.
I know they're in front of my face.
What you looking for?
The little, I forgot what they call them. Oh shoot, here, right there. There we go. I'm trimming the plastic. I'm indisposed right now. That might be the title of this video. Assembling my car while intoxicated.
Well, good thing is you did most of the important stuff before.
Yeah. Putting the transmission on while I was drunk, well, that would have been.
That would have been death.
Bro,
The transmission would hit you in your face.
I would have had a depressed skull fracture right now. Let's see. What was I about to do?
That transmission alone would have woke you up.
You about to clip something?
Yeah. Working on cars drunk. Why do I keep spacing out?
Might have some hemp oil in that shit.
That's my buddy, but man, he just. Ooh, Lord.
He can definitely drink you under your table.
He probably can. I'm a lightweight, people. If you can't tell. I only had one beer. Shoot, I put up 2 fingers. I only had one beer, and like
2 double shots.
2 double shots. Is that what it's called? Double shots?
Yeah, you say double shot.
2 double shots, and
So what you gonna cut this right here?
huh?
You gonna cut this right here?
Hold on, I'll do it. I can do it.
Alright. Don't cut yourself.
Tell me up. I ain't that drunk. Are you not feeling nothing at all?
I'm just, look, Nick. Hey, the Marine Corps prepared me for things like
Day after day.
This isn't what this video was supposed to be.
Absolutely not.
Because I've been trying to film like the same video for like a month. In case you couldn't tell. But this is what it's turned into. Dang, get on perfect first time.
Think that's gonna be enough?
Yeah. We just gotta tighten these down, and then oh yeah, that's perfect. We just gotta.
Where the bolts that go in here? Are these it?
No. There's nothing else goes in there. We just tighten these down.
When the time that I'm recording starts blinking, what does that mean?
I don't know. Let me see. Let me finish this. Hey, it crunk up and ran and everything.
Nigga, what you doing?
Working on cars is like hard enough as it is, but doing it while buzzed, that's like a whole nother level. Existential dread, that's what it's called. Existential dread. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. It's crisp. We're driving this thing today, baby. I'm doing a review on all this stuff that I put in as far as like transmission stuff. Doing a review on all this.
Now, what's that button for? For reverse?
That's reverse lockout. So push in and you go past, should stay, but there it goes. Past first gear up. See how the button's still down? Now it's in reverse.
Okay.
First. reverse. So, you tighten both sides? Mm-hmm. All right, bam. They do this on the FT86 Speed Factory because they had this same shifter boot. I don't know how they got it on though.
They probably, I don't know, stretched her out.
Nice.
I'm trying to get this thing to focus.
How would you need an RX-7 over here?
So this was worth, yeah, worth the challenge?
Yeah, it was worth it. Especially a shifter. But clutch is gonna take some getting used to. But
That's just
yeah, I can hear, no, not the beeping, I can hear the clutch.
Oh, do it.
Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
That's the clutch. Unless I did something wrong, which I hope I didn't, but and it's got, it feels a little revier because of the, even though this isn't their technically their lightweight flywheel, it's still like 7 pounds lighter than the stock one. So the rev characteristics are a little different. That's why I stalled it, because like, bro, and then it grabs at a different spot.
Definitely smell fresh clutch. You could definitely smell fresh clutch. It's not like a burning, but you
Break-ins.
yeah, that's that break-in, baby.
I smell it.
That's fresh.
I did drop some transmission fluid too, so it could be that.
It is. I hit that dang old bridge harder than I wanted to.
Look,
Yeah, I always
look
slow
at
down.
that. Woo, that smoke.
I'm about to say, was that me or you?
I hope so too.
Oh, do what I gotta do to you right quick.
Oh, he hit you with the
Oh,
Thanos.
this man.
This man.
Hold on, there you go. Hey, write down in the comments that this smoke is normal.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
We need to make sure this smoke is normal.
Just remember this though. Ain't no stones in it yet.
This guy.
Ain't no stones. Look, now I purposely ordered it like that. Ain't no stones in the gauntlet yet. Okay? You remember that. So you
Remember that. Remember that.
Alright. Ain't no stones in the gauntlet.
Take my pictures.
Chelly getting love in the streets. He brought her,
I bought my own, that's fine. Okay.
brought out the garage for like, what, 5 minutes?
Really?
Brought out the garage for 5 minutes, Chandler.
All right, I'll take it.
And you already got people taking pictures. Yeah. Them gonna turn down. Yeah. Oh, don't be shy.
No big deal.
Don't be shy.
No big deal.
You a fool, bro.
Get the goddamn car.
She looks so good in the dark. Oh. There we go. We're getting some Chinese food. Ate a bug. Alright, I'm back home. We finally got this baby back on the road after it being on jack stands for I think like a month and a half at least. It's been up there for a while, not being driven. So big shout out to Austin and Marquise for helping me. He's headed out now. Man, if it weren't for them guys, this thing would not be driving today. It'd probably be another month. So big shout out to them. Go follow, subscribe to Phantom Peach on YouTube, by the way. So yeah, this was a fun day, man. I had not only was I excited about getting the car back running and driving, but also just having my buddies here laughing and joking. It was a great day. So make sure you like and subscribe if you like these videos. Next up, we got to break in that clutch, and then it'll be turbo time. So I'm gonna try to knock out those 300 to 500 miles as fast as I can, and we'll be tearing it right back down again. So peace out. See you guys on the next one.